say we had 11 people in a gymnasium, and say we wanted to break them into groups of 4. So we kind of think of this as 11. And we want to take away some number of groups of 4. So let's say we want to take away one group of 4. Well, that's just 11 minus 4, right? We take away 4 of these. If we take 4 of these and put them into a group, then how many do we have left? We have 7 left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's say we made another group. Okay, here. Say we take another group. Well, that's 11. So we made 2 groups of 4. Well, that's 11 minus 4 times 2. So it's kind of like we're plugging 2 in for this x. And so that's 11 minus 8, which is just 3. So we see we have our 2 groups of 4 we took away, and we have 3 left. So what you did is you kind of rewrote. So we have this 11 minus 4x equals negative 33. So what you want to do is you wanted to rewrite this as negative 11 plus 4x. So let's see why this doesn't work. Well, this doesn't work because we can't change anything about our problem, really. So what you've done, actually, is you've made this number negative and this number positive. So really what you've done is you've taken this problem here, and you've actually multiplied it by negative 1.
Right.
And so now you have negative 11. Negative 1 times negative 4 is plus. But you've done that to one side without doing it to the other. So this is why this is not legal, is because you've actually changed the sign of both of these without changing. Now, if you had multiplied this side also by negative 1, that's allowed.
Okay.
Yep. So you want to make sure if you're changing the signs of stuff. So you could write this in a different order. Like something you could do without changing this side is this is a negative 4x.
Right.
And this is a positive 11. So you could change it so it says negative 4x plus 11. That means the same thing, actually. Because remember, in the end, subtraction is just adding by a negative number. So if you change the subtraction so you're just adding a negative number, these two things are the same thing. And it doesn't matter what order you add 2 things in, so then you could swap this over here and this over here. And that's totally legal to do. But realize when you swap it to look like this, you're basically saying you have negative 11 things and you're adding stuff to it, which is different than having positive 11 things and taking things away from it.
Right.
So.
Okay.